Start by checking whether the building or floor power is live and stable. Begin with the main service disconnect and any building level breakers to confirm power is present at the service entrance. If those are on, inspect the secondary or local disconnects feeding the equipment for tripped switches or blown fuses and reset or replace them as appropriate. Verify the low voltage fuse that protects control circuits. These fuses are inexpensive and commonly fail first, and replacing them often restores control power. Measure for 24 volts direct current between the control R and C terminals at the controller or transformer secondary. If you do not see 24 volts direct current, trace back to the control transformer primary to confirm it has line voltage and that the secondary is not open. If primary and secondary voltages are correct but the controller still has no power, check for loose or corroded terminal connections, which can prevent the control from receiving power even with correct voltages. When using a meter, always follow safe procedure. Confirm the meter is functioning on a known source and use insulated tools when tightening terminals to prevent shorts. Common mistakes include assuming the controller is bad without confirming control voltage, which wastes time and money. Always verify the presence or absence of 24 volts direct current before replacing the controller. Another issue is overlooking a blown low voltage fuse or a remotely located subpanel fuse. Replace the fuse with the correct rating and inspect why it failed, such as a shorted wire or a stuck relay. Technicians often forget to check service disconnects that are off-site or labeled ambiguously, so physically confirm each disconnect is in the on position and tagged correctly to the system you are troubleshooting. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with trusted local contractors and to help contractors find job opportunities relevant to their skills. Our site includes an active discussion community where members share real troubleshooting tips and experiences that can help when a system is completely unresponsive.